What's up, Flowstar family? It's Breann and we're back with another tutorial. I'm going to show you how to take that backhand release into an elbow toss or elbow stall, like so. Oh, I love this trick. It's so much fun when you're just trying to hit like different beats and add some flair to your flow. It's so much fun. So let's break it down. You're going to take your hands, fingertip to palm, of course, with your Flowstar right in the middle. Do that backhand release. If you're right-handed, you're going to attempt to grab the Flowstar at about 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock if you're left-handed. So here we go, 6 o'clock. Pop it right around, going on the outside of your arm. This trick works best when you are using your momentum, so make sure to try to give it a real good flick. The flick of the wrist is very important for this trick. That is the elbow toss, elbow stall. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comments. Make sure to like this video if you like this trick, and if you're going to try it out, make sure to tag us in some videos and hit that subscribe button and notification bell for the next time that we post another Flowstar tutorial. Thank you.